Imagine you go on Warrior Plus and you look for a product and you get denied. Imagine that you lack results, you lack consistent sales in your marketing effort promoting Warrior Plus product. If you are tired of this situation, then this review is for you. Hi, my name is Aziz Isa, and today I'm going to be reviewing the $1 Million Warrior 2.0. So this information product is created by Kevin Fahey. He's from Spain, and as we can see here, he has a very good reviews here, at least 4.13, right? So this is good, and his latest product is $1 Million Warrior 2.0. So basically, if you are in affiliate marketing niche, and if you want also to build your email list, if you are looking for traffic, so this product really can be the answer to this, especially if you lack results in Warrior Plus, and if you are looking of course to get some sales. Right, so quickly here, before we start, this is my bonuses that I will be giving, right? So we have a quick explanation and what is $1 Million Warrior 2.0, right? So you will get some very quick exposure on on a Warrior Plus product, what to look for if you want to promote a product, right? And those are my bonuses here. You will get a step-by-step guide, to do your faceless marketing promotion, right? You will get also my AI hidden knowledge. So this tool will help you actually basically create some amazing blog posts or social media posts, anything you want. It's going to be very powerful, AI non-detectable, powerful content that you'll be able to create, right? And my third bonus is how to get traffic from Facebook. So Facebook is very amazing if you know, of course, how to use it. So you'll be learning how to get traffic using Facebook, right? And the last one is 10 money making sites with no need of website, no customers, no ads. So this is very nice to get. So after that, of course, so quickly, this is the sale page. That's what we are looking at exactly. So you have a nice video presentation over here. It's awesome, and you will have the option to buy the product. The front end, it is at $9.95 as we speak, right? And you have some proof, right? Which is awesome, right? Okay, and of course you'll get some detailed explanation about what the product is. So the link is in the description. You can go over it and read everything, right? So third, that's what you're gonna receive something like this, right? And then depending on which level that you are in, I mean by level I mean which product you have bought, so you're gonna have this part unlocked, right? Like the affiliate takeover, which is going to be one of the upsell over here. The free AI money 2.0 will be there, and this is the $1 million warrior 2.0, right? So you will have the option really to grab what you want, but you know, they are very informative. Kevin will teach you step by step really what to look for. You know, for example, this is a $1 million warrior 2.0. you have up to 18 detailed lessons, right? So you know, for example, you know, as a marketer who want to promote WordPress products, so you can also go on a website called Munch Eye, that where we will see incoming launches, incoming product that will be released soon, right? So Kevin also will talk about you know, those stuff, what to look at, what to look for, you know, how to select the right product to advertise, because you know, we don't want to promote, of course, a product that is not really good, right? So Kevin will teach you basically what to look for, you know. And of course, if you have this one, the free AI money from home, you know, this is what you will get exactly. You know, affiliate takeover, you have 14 lessons here, online marketing, you know, the free AI money from home, right? So traffic flyer, etc. So you will have those options, and then you have the IRM systems, a welcome message, and yes, voila. So basically, it's a training course with case studies where you will be learning how really to package your you know, to apply first for your affiliate program, because sometimes, as you know, even if you go to WordPress, sometimes when you request a link, they refuse, you know, because people don't know you, etc. So he will teach you basically how to approach those vendors, and you know, then you'll be able to promote them. And also after the promotion, what are you going to do next after the promotion, right? So you need to follow up with the leads, you know, to create that trust, and you know, obviously bring your product as solution, right? So okay guys, that's all I have, right? Okay, so please like, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and see you in the next video. Bye.